Hi guys, this is Isha, and this is a continuation of my series on secrets of salon business. And today, I think in the last video, I spoke about how important it is to have good and capable staff. Even if you have to pay them a little more higher salary, you should consider that as an investment into your business. And if it's a new business, then I would say that take in the 6 month salary of the staff as an investment into your business. And today I want to talk about hiring the right people. We don't need too many people initially. We just need few people, but people who are capable and who will be able to manage our business, because there are so many things in a startup that we need to consider, apart from the running of the day-to-day business, about the getting the clientele in the marketing part, and also the packages that we need to make, and the initial boost to the salon, to the brand. And if we are so there's so many things that our mind is diverted. And I see many salon owners, they feel very stressed out, and they feel very the after the initial boost दे आर वेरी डाउन. मतलब बहुत सारे सैलून ओनर्स को ऐसा लगता है कि अरे खोल तो लिया, ठीक है, 2-3 महीने के बाद मैं देखती हूँ कि वो एकदम बिल्कुल मतलब दे स्टार्ट फीलिंग कि अरे सही किया है कि नहीं किया है, बिजनेस आ नहीं रहा है, बिकॉज वो सारी चीज़ें खुद करना चाहते हैं. सो गाइज, डोंट डू एवरीथिंग योर सेल्फ. हायर अ केपेबल मैनेजर, hire somebody to look after your social media marketing, hire capable staff, keep a proper housekeeping. Don't depend on staff to do your cleaning. Staff will do the cleaning, definitely. We are in a service industry, and we have to make sure that we maintain our styling stations, our facial rooms, everything, or the spa rooms, everything has to be maintained, by the therapist, by the beauticians, by the stylist. But apart from all that, keep a good housekeeping, so that when the client comes in, you are going to serve them tea, water, or of course now during these COVID times, serving of refreshments, everything is barred. But I'm sure things will kind of like improve, and we will get out of this phase. So I'm talking about the future in the long run. Or even if you have to give them the PB kits or the disposables or their the face mask, anything. So it is always advisable to have somebody handy, instead of the manager getting up from a desk and running to do that, or the stylist running to do that, because then वो थोड़ा सा shabby लगता है. It gives a very shabby kind of a look, to the salon. And so to get the professional look going is very important कि हम ये सारी चीज़ें भी keep that in mind. And also, like I said, you need a good front desk. You need a good person to take care of your social media marketing. You getting your marketing, your clients in via social media. You need a good website. Yes, website is very important, because people today want to scroll up, and you need to register yourself in all the various portals like Just Dial hai, Find Me, Near Me, anywhere where you can do a collaboration. That is very important, with your nearby stores, with the malls, with the coffee shops, anywhere that you can think of. So you need to do that, all that very well. So you have people to do that, and sometimes you can also use your contacts and your connections, and get into that. And also is your packaging and your packages, the initial package to get the client in. You must have good packages to lure them in, not the initial discount, but of course like something good which which the client will want to come in, and want to try out your services. And always emphasize on retail. Tell your staff कि retail करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I have spoken earlier about the importance of retail. I am going to speak further also, that how we can get our staff to do retail, and what are the blocks that most of us feel. And I think if you set all these things, and also you also yourself get a little bit knowledgeable, sit in the trainings. Yes, this is especially when there are trainings going on of various product companies. प्लीज़ टेक पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए उसमें, तो आपको भी जानकारी होगी कि एक फेशियल में, एक एडवांस फेशियल में, एक ट्रीटमेंट में कितना प्रोडक्ट यूज़ होता है, तो उसी हिसाब से आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। आई एम टेलिंग यू द सबसे ज़्यादा लॉस अगर किसी सैलून को होता है वो होता है प्रोडक्ट वेस्टेज में। बिकॉज जो स्टाफ है, स्टाइलिस्ट हैं, वो लोग अपने काम की धुनकी में रहते हैं, उनको काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट को ले लेते हैं। ब्यूटिशियंस भी अगर आप कंट्रोल नहीं करेंगे तो वो ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट ले लेंगे, वो वेस्ट जाता है। तो एंड प्रोडक्ट्स आर सो एक्सपेंसिव, अगर स्पेशली अगर आप इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड से टाइप कर रहे हैं तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स। सो please sit in the trainings, understand the product, understand the benefits of the product that you have purchased, आपने खरीदा है वो, so what happens is that you are a part of your business from day one. So before our setup happens, all the trainings we organize everything, so you please be a part of the training, is very important. And then you can so you are on a very good level to start up your salon. And well, I mean, that's how you start up, and I'm sure if you follow all these things you will not find it at all difficult. In fact, you love it and probably end up opening 2 or 3 more branches, in the near future. Yeah, so then I hope this was helpful. This is Isha signing off, a homemaker, married to a super singer, was a wellness coach, and CEO for Hair Academy. And now I'm a proud owner of my own 2 businesses, ABCI, which is my Azalea Beauty Consultancy India, wherein I set up spas and salons, and also we do turnkey projects for new parlors. And we also undertake projects of parlors who are like marketing projects, social media projects for people who are wanting to enhance and improve their business, take them to a next level. And I also own an academy in Mumbai by the name of ILRA, which is Isha's Local Ravishing Academy, wherein I teach students, freshers, also people who are already into the business, like barbers who want to do ladies hair cutting, beauticians who want to learn hair cutting, color, straightening, chemical. We do nail extension training, we do beautician training, and basic makeup training. So see you soon, guys. Bye.